Today we are making a delicious Nigerian stew that goes perfectly with rice. If you love a good plate of rice and stew, you definitely want to try this one. And these are the ingredients we'll be making use for this recipe. We have onions, chicken, eggs, salt and seasoning cubes, pepper mix, and palm oil. I started by eating some palm oil in a pot, then added just a little of the vegetable oil I used for frying the chicken. This adds an extra layer of flavor to the stew. Next, I added my blended pepper mix, my chopped onions. I gave everything a good stir, covered the pot slightly, and allowed it to cook for a few minutes. This helps the pepper mixture cook down and develop a deeper flavor. After a few minutes, I opened it up and gave it another good stir. At this point, I added my seasoning cubes and salt, then mixed everything thoroughly so the seasoning could distribute evenly throughout the stew. I allowed it fry for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. This is an important part because properly frying the pepper mixture helps to deepen the flavor of the stew. Then I poured in my chicken stock, also known as chicken broth, and stirred everything together. Then I added my boiled eggs and fried chicken. I gently stirred everything together, covered the pot, and allowed the stew to simmer for a few minutes so all those beautiful flavors could come together. Please take your time with the preparation because allowing the ingredients to cook properly is what brings out that deep, delicious flavor. After a few minutes, I uncovered the pot, gave it one final stir, and my delicious Nigerian stew was ready. Honestly, this is the kind of stew that can make a simple plate of rice taste absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more delicious Nigerian recipes. And also, would you enjoy this with white rice? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next delicious recipe. Bye.